In front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening settings and hitting Bluetooth here. Now tap on this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Click on this icon to allow access to your contacts and call history. And when you finish, select Pair. Now just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon next to your device and hit Forget at the bottom left corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!